Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw the chicken costume from Fall Guys. To start off with this, we're going to begin towards the face. And I'm going to start with kind of like that little gobble that hangs down. So right here, I'm going to make a line that goes down. It's going to curve around and then come up like this in like a teardrop shape. The next step is I want to make a circle shape that goes right around here for the head, or the face. And this is kind of more at the top. So I'm just going to draw a line. It's going to curve around, and we're just going to form a nice circle shape that comes up to here. Then starting right here, I'm going to make a little smiley face at the top. And then I'm going to add a little sad face right here. That's going to be for the bottom of the chicken's mouth. Then right here, I'm going to make a line that goes up and down. And I'm going to put one more around here, like a triangle shape for the beak. On each side of here, I want to add two little lines that curve down. So I'm going to put one right here, and then one right here. Then I'm going to add a curved line here and a curved line right here for the eyes of the chicken. Our next step is to draw a line that goes up and then down for the eyes. So we'll go up and down here. And we're just going to go up and then back down right here. Now right here, I'm going to make a line that goes down on each side. Make a line that goes down here, and then a line that goes down here. And then we want to make the little feathers on here. So starting right about here, we're going to make a line that goes down. It's going to curve around and come up. So I'm going to go down, curve around, and come up like this. And I'll do the same thing over here. We're just going to go down, curve around, and come up. And then on this one, we're going to go down, over, and up. So I'm going to go down, over, and then we'll come up like this. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve around here, and then one that's going to curve around here. And then I'm going to make a little line that's going to curve right to here, just for some detail on there. Now from here all the way over to here, we're going to draw a curved line for the bottom. So I'm going to make a line that goes down. It's going to curve over and then come up to here. Now for the feet, all you want to do is draw a line that goes down, it curves around, and then come up. So we'll go down, curve around, and then come up like this. And I'll do the same thing over here. We're just going to go down, curve around, and then come up for the feet. Now the arms are going to start right about here. So you're going to start here. We're going to go down just a little bit past the bottom, and I'm going to curve up like this. And I'll come over here and do the same thing. We're just going to go down, go a little bit past the bottom, and then just kind of curve up. You want to make a line that goes out and then comes back up. So we're going to go out, come back up for the thumb. And then right over here, we're going to go out and then come back up. Next, you just draw a line that goes right up to here. So we're just going to draw a line that goes right up to there. And I'm going to put another little line that goes out and up. We're just going to go out and then up to here. Inside of here, I'm going to add a few little smiley faces for some of the different feathers. So you can just put a few different ones all along here. Put a couple more right around here. Now at the top here, we want to make the little thing that's on top of the head. So I'm just going to draw a little line. It's going to curve up. We'll bring it over here a little bit more and then curve it back. And then I'll draw another one that just kind of goes down and then over here. We want to put the eyes in here. So we're just going to make two kind of oval shapes that we're going to fill in on each side. And then right here, I'm going to add a curved line on each eye that we're just going to color in for the pupil of our chicken. And there you go. There is your drawing of the chicken costume from Fall Guys. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.